Hey, aloha and good morning. It's all foggy out here. Had a lot of moisture. Last tour I gave everybody, I was talking about our peanut butter jam berry, and you see, this is how red apparently they're supposed to get, because the birds have already made their way in and ate one of them. Oh, they're falling off. They're squishy now. And you might remember on that last one I picked it way too early and it was super hard. But yeah, so that one's a little mush. Probably still going to eat it even with the bugs on it. I don't really care. I'm going to say right now, it's not that peanut buttery. This is more jammy. Well, garden's coming along. Had a little bit of rain after a few days of dry. I got my first soursops coming out. First soursop on the tree. Little tiny thing, but it's happening. And the black pepper vines are doing good. Right up here, these chocolates are setting. Wonky. Yeah, we got little ones setting. I got a few going there and there. See, this one's aborting. Brown tipped. These ones will probably get going. But yeah, that. Oh my gosh. First ones. I got another tree up here doing something similar. These are all tiles I got for cheap off of Craigslist. Yeah, look at these ones. These are trying to set. I think these are gonna go. This one's, you know, aborted quite a few too, but boy, oh boy, it's happening. Some big aerial yams. Look at those things. Monsters. This is a blue grape. And some of the vanillas are finally getting happy now. Being under canopy, I got all the Malabar chestnut. And I got a bunch of these damn petali here. I gotta dig up and move. They grow so damn fast, they'd take over the whole place if they had a chance. Just like this mugwort. Oh, the bicolor is growing. And that bicolor divided. And a lot of the cut nuts. This is already 6 feet. It's right up here with me now. A lot of the cut nuts are just going nuts. Fruit down there, the katuk's going crazy. And check out my marang. Marang's already dividing. Badass, huh? Look at that branching out. So cool. I just planted some durian seeds. They were gifted to me by a friend. We got some of the edible cactus going on and lemongrass. This is all cotton. They're just starting to make some little cotton flowers. Here's a cotton flower here. There's a cotton flower. Mallow, hibiscus. Yeah, and starfruit's still cranking. They're getting sweeter now. The first round were kind of watery and somewhat flavorless, but now they're getting pretty sweet. And the spiny pineapple has gone crazy. These are the good commercial pineapples. And then my chat, for those who might be familiar with chat, it's finally getting like 5 feet tall. It took a while. This guy was all gangly and low for a long time, but now it's really starting to look proper. Beautiful, huh? And we got a big pile of green waste over here to chip. Getting our trees done. These trees, all of that. Get out of it, man, I can't even see it all. All of that's gotta go. All of that. You see, we're about to chip all of this pile. And this is about to become a workspace in here built in. The work shed. And we just had this tree taken out. All of that space there was black before. And so we have piles and piles of lumber here all the way down the line. And we're going to be falling that stump there left in a couple hours here and chopping it up. And then eventually all of these mangoes are going to go. And it's all going to be sunlight there. Yeah, and getting the fence down because the property next door is for sale. So I had to come in and put my big fence post down. I got these wonderful I-beams. I got 3 of them for $5. $5, not even each. 3 of them for $5 when we had a place called the Restore here. So yeah, I had to set my line, and now I'm going to be able to continue my fence down this side now that I don't have to worry about the trees crushing it. Yeah, other than that, everything's growing. Things are blossoming. Got my Grammy Chama, and I've got the Abu. I've got a little tiny Hello Mangosteen going here. But this is going to be big. That's going to be a big tree. Dense tree. And then egg fruits and chocolates. And then this chocolate will probably get chopped someday because it's a stunt and it'll never do that great. And I got this Champadek in here from seed. Beautiful little Champadek. And then next to that, a jackfruit grown in Kala'au that came from Carter on Big Island. And this variety is just so tasty. And that cut nut's probably going to flower any day now. And we got the yellow Jaboticaba. It's going to be along the line up here. And my durian is doing really nice. I got a bunch on the property, but this beauty, we're already at what, 9 feet, 9 feet tall. And the rest behind it is a type of kratom, which is right turning into an alder tree as far as I'm concerned. I'm probably going to cut them out here soon because I don't know what to do with that stuff and I don't need to get hooked on it. Don't really enjoy those kind of inebriants. So this chocolate's doing well too. Look at this. This one tried to put them out before and kind of aborted them, but I think these are going to stick. Yeah, so cool. Even have some wing beans starting to grow up in the bananas here. And this is a durian too, but this guy's only a few feet tall, like 4 feet, 5 feet tall now. And then these are my nutmegs that are all in pots still. And they're going to be going in the minute we get these trees down. I got a cinnamon in here too. Got a beautiful cinnamon nutmeg. Oh, and I'm going to have to dock that chestnut. I don't want them getting too tall. Hey, beautiful though, huh? Well, I got to show you this. The dwarf Cubans. Dwarf Cubans throwing a fat black rack. Ain't that crazy, right? Cuban reds are really sensitive to banana bunchy top virus. A lot of them have withered away because of that, so really cool to have some just starting to pop. And then there's the cardamom flowers and little cardamom seeds. This one's just getting going. I got ones over here that get, way heavier, way more seeds. seed. A lot more seed potential once they start getting happy. I don't know what the difference is between them sort of lingering for a while and then all of a sudden they start doing well. Yeah, cardamom, bananas, cut nuts. I got durians up on the hill, jackfruits. Got mango, odorifica over there. Salaka. The salaka is scary, but the fruits are so good. They're just so dangerously sharp. Here, I'll show you this one up here is really starting to grow. Look at those spines. These things are nasty. And they go all the way up and out to the tips. And these will become really big palms. These things become really big palms. But they're ground palms. They stay low. But the fruit that come off of them are called snake fruit. And it looks like a big clove of elephant garlic when you peeled it. It tastes like, it's just so good. It's like a crispy strawberry. And then the cinnamon. And then we got galangal root, ginger, just starting to pop. This is my tropical almond that was a gift from a friend. It's just starting to pop right underneath the mango tree too. Unreal. And I guess this thing is maybe a decorative conversation tree. I don't know how in the hell I got it. I must have picked a seed up at one of the botanical gardens and fuck me, I don't know. I'm probably gonna chop them, but we'll wait till that happens. I think my buddy said these things just grow straight up in the air until they get above the other canopy of the other trees. And so this thing has about, 60, 80 more feet to go. I just let him go for it. But yeah, that's the big changes right now. Got our fence drawn, taking trees down, growing chocolate.